Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, log in to your Binance account and click Wallet. From here, click on Withdraw. After that, choose the currency you want to withdraw and click on Bank Transfer. You'll be asked to fill in your bank account details if you have not done so before. You can add up to 5 bank accounts. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Continue. You will see the transaction fee. Then, review the withdrawal details and click on Confirm. The bank account holder's name must match with your Binance account's name. Complete 2FA and click Submit. Please wait patiently for your bank to process your order. Submitting a withdrawal order outside of banking hours will be processed on the next business day. You can click View History to check the withdrawal status. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.